Welcome to Perceptor PTXL's online training tutorials. In this tutorial, we will find out how to use quicklaunch. Quicklaunch allows the user to create and run a batch from a label template quickly and easily by utilizing a barcode scanner to automatically load the label and create a batch run without the need for any manual keyboard entries. Before we set up and use quicklaunch, ensure that your default product references are set up correctly for your company to save time in the steps ahead. To do this, once logged in, go to Settings, System Settings and configure your product reference names. These are reference categories which are relevant to you and can be applied to products such as part number, customer part number, or ident number. Once you are happy, we will now set up a label to be able to be quick-launched. This can be done when creating a new label or editing an existing saved label. In this video, we will edit a saved label. To learn how to create a new label template, please watch our Create Label Template video tutorial. Firstly, in the Label tab, enter and verify your product references. The TIS product code is the part number that is unique to your label template and so will be used to load the label from the quicklaunch. Next, check the Use Quicklaunch checkbox. Please note that no two templates can contain the same TIS product code. Fields that have fixed data sources are fields that will not change or increment during a batch run. Being fixed, you can choose whether or not you want to input and/or overwrite the fixed data saved in the label template whenever this label is loaded from quicklaunch. Please note that if a field is also a product reference for a duplicate check, then it cannot be used in quicklaunch because product references are fields that can only be changed in the template design. It is also important at this stage to ensure you have Enable Product Duplicate Check set up for any fields you wish to check duplicates for. Enabling this option means that all labels that have been printed will be verified and checked against all previously printed labels with the same product reference and will be overstriked if they are a duplicate. It is also important to note that the product reference selected for the product duplicate check should always be your TIS product code, as it is unique to the label template. Should you also wish to check the duplicates against your customer part number or other product references, you can do so. Once you are happy, go back to the Label tab and update and save the label template. We are now ready to run quicklaunch using the label template. To do this, select Batch from the top toolbar, then quicklaunch. Enter a batch name of your choosing or scan a barcode that contains the batch name. If your barcode reader has been set up to suffix the scan with a carriage return, then PTXL will always automatically move to the next field. Enter or scan a barcode that contains your TIS product code. PTXL will automatically then load the label. Depending on the label setup, the user will be asked to enter or scan additional fixed field information. Once all fields are complete, press Run Batch, upon which Perceptor PTXL will automatically open and run a batch. It is important to note that when launching a batch via quicklaunch, you can only close a batch. You cannot pause a batch when it is completed. This is to prevent batches from being left open and preventing other users on network systems from being able to launch a batch using this label template. This concludes our tutorial on setting up and running quicklaunch, the smart and faster way to run a batch within Perceptor PTXL. Thank you for listening. We hope you found this tutorial useful and you enjoy using Perceptor PTXL.